Linear inequalities. Inequalities. Let's take an example of inequalities. So x plus 2 is less than 10. What values x could be? So just like equations, we have to do the following. X plus 2 is less than 10. Now we will minus 2 from both sides. So the LHS 2 will cancel out, leaving the following. So x is less than 10, meaning we can put any number which is less than 10 in place of x. Numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 7. So these are natural numbers, but there could be any real number less than 8. So here not only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 can come, but also minus 1, 0, 1 by 2 can also come. So let's try it. If x is equal to 7, then 7 plus 2 is less than 10, or 9 is less than 10, and this is correct. But we cannot take, because 8 plus 2 is less than 10. This is mean 10 is less than 10. Now these both are equal, but this is a less than sign, meaning that there could not be equal. If they would be equal, then this sign would come. And any number over 8 we cannot take. We cannot take 100, 110, 108, or 9, even 8.001. But the numbers we could take, we cannot take 7.9999 or any number which is less than 8. It can be 7.999996 or any number less than 8. But it could not be 8. It cannot even be 8.0001. So any number which is over 8 we cannot take, but we can even take 7.999, even though they round off to 8, but 7.999 is a correct answer, because then this expression will become correct. This is the correct if we have to do this. So to solve long equations, we have to do the following in the example. First example, x plus 5 minus 2x is more than or equal to 5 plus 3x. So first we have to simplify it. So instead of writing x plus minus 2x, we can write minus x plus 5. And 5 plus 3x will remain the same. Minus 4x plus 5 is greater than or equal to 5. What we did here is minus the 3x, so that the 3x can cancel out. So minus 4x is greater than or equal to 0. So x is less than or equal to 0 by minus 4x. when we do any inequality and divide both sides by minus 4x, then the sign then the sign will become its opposite. The x is less than or equal to 0. So we can take any number which is less than 0, or we can even take 0. So the numbers that we could take is minus infinity to 0. Example 2. X plus 9 is greater than 4x. So we have to minus 4x from both sides. We will get minus 3x plus 9. Why this is minus 3x? Because when we minus, by default there is always a 1, but 1 into x is just going to be 1. This means minus 3x is minus 9, because we have minus the 9 from both sides. Now then we will divide by minus 3 in both sides, and when we divide by minus 3, the sign will have to change from this. Inequalities, when we divide by any negative number, this means negative number, and the sign always changes, like the less than symbol turns into greater than symbols, and less than and greater than symbol turns into less than symbol.